bibigay o turnover ceremony ng mga sports and musical gear and equipments na FYI lang po, nagkakahalaga ng 2 million pesos. Wala bang palakpak dyan para sa mga kaibigan nating malalaki ang puso ng ICTSI? So, sa ngalan po ng 330 na teaching and non-teaching personnel at 7,807 learners ng Rosauro Almario Elementary School, buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap at wini-welcome dito ngayon sa programang ito na mga bata ay mag-e-excel po sa lahat po ng larangan kung saan meron po silang mga nabiling mga regalo mula sa inyo. Kaya po, bago po ako mag-end, gusto ko pong ipanood sa inyo, allow me to present a short video clip lang po kung paano po yung naging journey ng mga batang ito mula makikita po dito sa video clip yung pangyayari, yung journey ng aming mga players kung saan nag-e-excel po sila kahit may meron po silang sitwasyon. Ang mga score na ito po na meron kami kompletong gear. Baka po makapapuntos kami ng another Alex.
Excited na ata. Excited na ba ang Batang Almarians? Alright, syempre, habang inaantay natin yung video, ikaw ma'am, anong masasabi mo dito sa mga equipment natin at papamigay ng ICTSI?
Excited na ako talaga sa mga magamit ko ng ating mga athletes from the humble beginnings. Kung ma-recall lang natin that they were practicing sa gilid lang ng school natin.
Yes.
Isa lang yung mat na ginagamit nung nagta-taekwondo, sharing of best, no? At ngayon, hindi na sila mag-share, magkakaroon na sila ng tag-iisang vest or, tama ba vest ba yung tawag doon sa mga nagta-taekwondo?
Yes.
Not only that, no, hindi lang mga sports equipment yung meron.
Alam mo kung saan ako na-excite, partner? Yung sapatos. Kasi bilang batang atleta, yun yung isang big deal. Diba? Dapat appropriate kasi yung sapatos mo kung anong sports ka.
Exactly.
Diba? Grabe ilang sapatos yan.
Ayan, okay. Sabi ko nga kanina, partner, bukod sa mga sports equipment, we also have music instruments na nandito.
Yes.
We have marimba wood, metallophone, bass metallophone, snare drums, tenor cymbals, chimes, drum block, and timbales. Alam niyo po ba na ang RAES Drum and Lyre Band ay nagko-compete din po at malaking tulong po ito for the upcoming competitions ng ating RAES Drum and Lyre.
Alam mo
ba?
Yes, partner. Alam mo ba, partner, na ang alam ko kauna-unahang mag-perform ang RAES Drum and Lyre sa palaro ng NCR.
Wow! Congratulations!
Iba na ang nararating ng RAES Drum and Lyre.
Huwag na tayong magulat, no? Kung ibang regions, i-invite din tayo.
At saka, partner, tignan mo naman ito, pang-compete na itong ibibigay ng ICTSI Foundation para sa ating Drum and Lyre.
Kaya talaga, kahapon pa lang, nung nakita ko to, okay,
Okay, so I think yung video,
okay, sige, balikan natin yung video. Let's all watch this.
Sa sports, magiging posible ang lahat.
morning greetings sa aming mga partners dito sa aming education Advoc Manila LGU. Of course, our beloved Mayor, Yorme, and of course, DepEd. Magandang umaga po sa amin. So, during our scoping activity, meron po ngayon na feeding program is not only for a selected field ng mga Nordics, it's for the entire school population of from daycare to grade 3. So, lahat po ng school year. So, we are providing school food basket meal for some 2,500 po every day for 10 months. So, yun po yung tulong namin kay Mayor kasi alam namin mahal ni Mayor yung kabataan ng Manila. So, aside from that, meron dito kami training, which is partnership with India for the reading proficiency para po ma-address yung mga non-readers. And so, we believe po yung holistic well-being ng ating kabataan. Dapat ito meron music and sports. So, when we talk to the principal of RAES, na-mention niya yung 10. Ang daming pag nandito ka, iba yung kalidad ng event pag nandito ka. So, sinulit namin sinulit talaga namin na sana dali natin si Mayor. Okay, meron pa siyang 10 o'clock, kaya binibilisan namin yung program. And again, Mayor, you have your floor.
Ay, nakalimutan nyo nga. Do-donate nyo na rin ba yung cellphone nyo? Kukunin namin. Okay. Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Belinda. Ang ating principal, Ma'am Belinda Dionisio. To our executive director, Ms. Lorena. Ng ICTSI Foundation, Mr. Bartolome, Program Operation, ICTSI, Mr. Llorente, ICTSI Foundation, Mr. Balmoria, ICTSI Foundation, Ms. Bani Palad, ICTSI Foundation. To the ICTSI family or IR, good morning. And thank you very much. To our SDO family, today being represented by our Assistant Superintendent, Ma'am Lumeda, at ang kanyang mga kasamahan sa SDO. To the parents, teachers, athletes, and of course, yung mga barangay chairman natin na nandito na iba-ibang barangay ito. Galing pa ng iba dyan sa Velasquez. Malalayo pa yan. But to the parents also na nandito, good morning. Well, una talaga sa lahat. Sabi like nowadays, it's a very good thing that even yesterday, as an update to the citizens of Manila, we were called yesterday by the President through the Executive Secretary Ralph Rector to come up with a whole nation approach confronting the economic situation ng ating bansa due to uncertainty in the Middle East. And measures are being put into their places, and so on and so forth. At masaya ako dahil siyempre yung pakikipagtulungan ng lokal at nasyonal ay nagdudulot ng kabutihan sa kanyang nasasakupan. Immaterial of politics. di bali na hindi magkakakulay. As long as we get into position, we must work hand in hand and to protect the interests of our people. Now, having said that, with the same analogy, we're in private sectors doing business in the city of Manila, helping the city government and its people. Kaya nakakatuwa na ang ICTSI sa lahat ng panahon lagi nating kasama. Sa aberya, o ngayon, sa sports and extracurricular activities for our kids, particularly yung kanilang mga talento, maipakikita nila. At one way or another, we will continue to lead the region. In the recent Palarong NCR, top notcher ang Maynila. Partida pa yan, pahiraman pa ng mouthpiece. At least, nakiss nyo yung crush nyo. Yeah, I have a story. And this is not just a story. This thing happened. Almario, 5 palapag yan eh. May portion, 3 palapag. May portion, 5 palapag. As you age, you go higher, grade 1 to grade 6, pataas ng pataas. So, ako, recess boy. Yung may recess girl, may recess boy. Ang ibig sabihin noon, ng araw, doon sa ground floor nitong pinatatayuan natin, may canteen. During the recess, there will be volunteers, student volunteers, to go down to the canteen and get the recess tray and soup. The tray for the girls and the soup for the boys. And nobody's allowed. Walang pwedeng lumabas ng classroom except those who are authorized na mga mag-aaral. So I always volunteer. Kasi pang GMRC ko yun. Sayang din. Ewan ko, kung maalala, mga teacher niyo, alam niyo yung GMRC, good moral and right conduct. Pag ikaw nagpo-volunteer sa paglilinis, pagbubunot, nung araw nagbubunot kami, nagpo-floor wax kami, tapos nagpo-volunteer ako magbura ng blackboard. Kaya marami akong anhan. Dahil doon sa chalk, nung araw. But going back to the story, ibebenta mo yung soup, ibebenta mo yung tray, tapos matututo ka ng mathematics naturally kasi inventory, yung dami ng paninda mo, ilan ang lumabas, pagkano per piece, multiply, then i-entrega mo pababa ulit sa canteen. The thing is, we are about 40 students. I have to sell the soup. And soups, usually, dalawa lang naman yan. Cold and hot. Pag cold, yan yung mga sopas. Ay, pag hot, mga sopas. Pag cold, yung gulaman. Bilo-bilo. Mangyari ba, hindi naman lahat nabibili, di ba? Siyempre, may mga batang katulad ko, walang baon. Wala kaming baon. Kaya lang, remember yung kwento ko, walang pwedeng lumabas. So, pagsasali na namin sa kantin, yung mga atoms, hindi naman nauubos yung soup eh. May natitira doon sa aluminum, yung aluminum na tasa. May natitira doon. Di ba wala namang tao? Wala namang tao sa pagdanan. Fifth floor ako, bababa. So what I did is, yung pinag-inuman ng mga kaklase ko, sinasali ko sa isang tasa. Makakabuo ko ng isa. But nobody's seeing it, except yung partner kong estudyante na babae. Kasi sabay kami pa. So, ininom ko yun kasi wala akong bako. Si Miss Villaluz, naalala ko noon, binibigyan pa ako ng piso nung araw. Kasi ang palitaw, 50 centavos. Yung soup, 50 centavos. Yung palitaw nung araw, malaki. Oo, talagang bondat. But most of the time, wala ako. So, bakit ko yun ikwento? Kasi nagmamouthpiece kayo, di ba? Sharing of mouthpiece. Eh, para kayong may nakaraan nung nagpalitan ng mouthpiece. Pero ako, lahat ng kaklase ko, na-kiss ko na. Nang hindi nila alam. Life is hard. That's the truth. But, you know, as you persevere, mangyari ba, magpupursige ka lang, mga bata, kayo, lalo na. Huwag nyo hahanapin ang isang bagay na wala sa inyo. You have to appreciate what you have already. So anything about that is blessing. So kailangan matuto tayo na katulad ng sinasabi ng mga nanay at tatay natin. Kapag maikli ang kumot, matutong mamalok. Then, the rest is history. Sa mga bata natin dito, lalo na yung mga nanay yan. Don't give up with your kids. Sino ang makapagsasabi o hula man lang, hula na lang, na ang isang graduate ng Almario pwedeng maging mayor ng Maynila? Kaya mga bata, you have to be appreciative of whatever you have. More so today, will be jubilation. Ito ang pinakamasayang araw ng Almario. Paldo. Oh, paldong-paldo. Alam niyo ba ito? This is a very expensive machine. I'm gonna show you something. Totoo yung sinabi ni Ma'am kanina. This one? This one? Bang Alex Reala yan. Oh. Pero mo, may katelis ka, makina katelis mo. Kaya, totoo yun ha. So ngayon, we cannot compete with Lasal. Kasi dalawa lang tayo meron yan sa buong Maynila. Almario lang at Lasal.
Wow!
And I would like to share also to our ICTSI Foundation partners with regard to the nutrition or what you call the stunting problem of the country, and that includes Manila. 3 months ago, we've launched Your Milk. And dito rin ako nakatikim ng Clean at Nutriban nung araw sa Almario. Yung Nutriban, mga bata, ganyan kalaki yun. Basag na panga mo, hindi mo push yung Nutriban. At yung pagka binato mo sa kaklase mo yun, bubukol. Talagang matigas yun. It's a nutritious one. Then we are being given milk. Itatakal mo nyo sa, ano mo, writing paper, writing notebook mo, pipilas ka ng isa. Tapos tatakalan ka, ganyan Clean or gatas. And that brought us something, no? In our nutritional needs at the time. But 3 months ago, I've been hearing a lot of data, seeing a lot of data that there is something in the country. And to confirm it, I directed the MHD to sample or what you call sampling data. And it's true. So that's why your city government brought back the milk supplemental program. o napangalang Your Milk. And this is for Baker Center. 21,000 every other day for the last almost 3 months na. At yung mga bata ngayon, pag nakita niyo yung mga mukha, naku, you should see how it brought nutrition to their body. Fresh milk. We bought from the farmer. Ito yan alam niyo, yung programa na yan sa totoo lang. Pag may nagsiyasat niyan, bibigyan ng gold medal ng ang MDSW at PHC. Farmer, kulang ng customer. Yung baka nilang alaga, they need to katasan. Kundi magkakasakit yun eh. Pag walang bibili, tapo. So for the first time in history, local government unit through NDA, National Dairy Authority, then cooperative, then farmer. So from the farm, directly sa Manila. That's how fresh it is. 21,000 bottles of 200 ml, I think more or less, iniinom ng farmer. And so far, it's doing good. Now, ma'am, ito ang good news. Binulong ko ito kay principal. Kasi si Lumeda, alam na ito. Nung nakita namin, mukhang maganda. Then now we are going to escalate to the parents who are here. Kasi unang-una, natutuwa yung mga parents eh. Wala na silang tosgas sa nutrition ng bata nila eh. Dahil sagot ng syudad. Bali ba, palalawakin na natin. By June, we will resume with daycare, 21,000 of them, and 40,000 kinder and grade 1 all over the city. We will reinforce the nutritional needs and health of our kids. Daycare, kinder, and grade 1. Hanggat may mapipiga ako sa pimpo, pipigay ko, lumusog lang kayo. Kaya, mga bata, no? Wala na kayong gagawin, kundi mag-aral na lang. At mag-practice. Dahil sa ICTSI, ang sarap mag-practice ngayon. Kasi kompleto ka ng dami. And I would like to inform you, my wife is an athlete. Yes. Their family started Taekwondo in the country, or De Las Piñas Gym, where Mr. Hong from South Korea, who is now still the head of the Taekwondo and consultant of the government, and Lolo Dad, Lolo Mrs. Putapajin, or Las Piñas Gym. Jimmy, the uncle, started competing. Then, pamangkin, Arnold, national team, Ate Irene, who is in America, who is the biggest, one of the biggest Taekwondo gym in California, or what you call Excel Taekwondo. You can Google it in California, Woodland Hills. Then Eva, who is in America, teaching also for the US Open. Olympian natin. First Taekwondo Demo Olympics. Then my wife, also a national team. Kaya ako, I'm afraid of my wife. because black belter ang kesmi ko. Kaya ako, mahilig ako sa Sayunachi. Sayunachi Nelas ko kasi tumatakbo lang ako. But kidding aside, she is national team and athlete of the South. Lahat sila actually, lahat sila scholar because of being an athlete. Lahat sila taekwondo. And a lot of athletes, naging matagumpay sa kanilang karera and profession. And Manila is producing top-notch athlete. Very competitive. There was a boy in Paraiso ng Batang Maynila. Doon siya nag-training. Kaya kalahin mo naging gold medalist. So maraming bata. Sabi ko nga nung araw, yung dekada 80, bakit kaya BSC hindi maganap ng diver dito sa Tondo? Sinong araw, pag dumadating ng Negros nomination, Sweet Lines, Sulpicio, Gotong, yung WGA, ewan ko, naalala ko yung mga teacher yun, Doña Paz. Pag dumarating na yan sa pier, lalo na yung passenger boat, no? Katulad ng Sulpicio and William. Lahat kami umaakyat sa andamyo. Tapos kukunin namin yung mga bote ng Pepsi, Mirinda, 7-Up, araw. Tapos ibabato namin sa dagat. Yung partner namin sa dagat, hindi naman lulubog kagad yung bote. Kukunin yun, tapos ibabato sa pantalan. May sasalo naman doon. Tapos makakaisang sako kami ng bote. May problema, hindi masyadong pinapayagan yun ng mga tripulante or crew. Minsan pinapahabol kami sa aso. So, where do you go? You jump. Nung araw meron palabas, fireman. Red 1, green 2, yellow 3. Tumatalo kami sa atin. Dumadive kami. At magagaling lumere yung mga kababata ko. Sabi ko, ba't hindi dito maghanap ng athlete sa diving? Kasi magagaling yung mga bata dito sa atin. So, I'm telling you these stories, mga bata, na sometimes if you hear these stories, parang impossible that this happened to a person or a group of individuals. Kaya nung naging konsyal ako, meron akong ginawang what do you call this? Para bang sentence o pang-usap. Sabi ko, Tondo, Kuwait, pandayan ng husay at talino. And I brought that word, that statement to inspire others. We were inspired by Andres Bonifacio. A lot of heroes, our mga ninong, Raha Matanda, Lakandula, Rahabago, and so on. So, you kids today, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you because not everyone will have this. But Almario has it because of ICTSI. So to our private partners, rest assured that every single cent that you extended to our institution will be utilized fully and taken care of. At magbubuti kami. At sana po lagi kayong mabasa ng ulan para dumami pa sila. Maraming salamat sa tulong ninyo. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. And I think the kids are excited to utilize it. And rest assured, as ICTSI is from yesterday, from last night, we were every other, gaano kasi ako ng fiscal management ng city. We just saw, again, I think this time around again, ICTSI is one of the top taxpayers of the city of Manila. Kaya malaking bagay talaga ang ICTSI sa buhay natin dito sa Luzon, lalong-lalo na dito sa atin. So muli po, on behalf of the parents, the athletes and students, the institution, and on behalf of the people of Manila, maraming salamat, ma'am. Thank you very much, ICTSI Foundation. Muli, good luck. Galingan niyo. Go for gold. Ha? Isama lang kasi dyan. Chill-chill lang. Yun. Okay. Mag-aral kayo maigi, ha? Pag nag-aral kayo maigi, pipilitin ko magbuti bilang ama ng lungsod ng Maynila. Ha? Good afternoon. Good morning. Pagpalain na lang kayo na buong Manila. God first. Thank you.